Hello everyone, I Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss on course Quantitative Aptitude and Logical Reasoning on topic Example of Number System under Part 1. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following is prime number? Option 187, 811, 341, 437. How we can find amongst the four given number which is prime or not? So these are the steps. Option mentions are 187, 811, 341 and 437. Find the nearest greater square root of 187 number, which is 14, another is 30, another is 19 for 341 and 21 for 437. Once you find the square root greater than the number, under second step, find, suppose first is 14. Find all the prime number less than 14, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. For option B, 30. Find all the prime number which is less than 30. It is going up to 29. For 19, find all the prime number which is less than 19. So starting from 2 and going up to 17. For 21, find all the prime number which is less than 21. So starting from 2 and end up to 19. Under step 3, for option number 1, number is 187. Check 187 is divisible by 2, 3, 7, 11, 13 or not. While doing the calculations, you find 187 is divisible by 11. 811 is not divisible by any prime number, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. 431 is divisible by 11. 437 is divisible by 9. Okay. So 187 is divisible by 11. It is not prime number. 811 is not divisible by any prime number. So this is the prime number. Similarly, 341 and 437 is again divisible by prime number. So our correct example is 811. Question number 2. Which of the following is the output of 6894 into 99? So while calculating this, break 99 into 100 minus 1. Calculate 6894 into 100 minus 6894 into 1. So answer is 682506. Which of the following is the output of 685798 into 125? So again 125, in place of 125 we write 5 raised power cube, and again 5 raised power cubes we replace it by 10 divided by 9 power 3. So 685798 into 10 power 3 divided by 2 raised power 3. By solving this, we conclude 8572450 is the output of given expression. Similarly, question number 4, which of the following is the output of 43986 into 625? So in place of 625, we write 5 raised power 4. Again, we break 5 raised power 4 equal to 10 power 10 divided by 2 raised power 4. While calculating this, we get in an expressions 27491250 is the answer. Question number 5. Which of the following is the output of 869 into 738 plus 869 into 7262? In these terms, 869 is common. So take it out separately, 869, and multiply rest of those terms by summing up, which is 738 plus 268 equal to 1000. So 869 into 1000 869,000 is the answer. For question number 6, 936 into 587 minus 936 into 437. 936 is the common term, take it out separately. Remaining term is 587 and 487, and the sign is negative. So check the differences. 587 minus 487 is 100. 936 into 100 is equal to 936,000 is the answer. Which of the following is the output of 1496 into 1496? So nearest number of 1496 is 500, 1500, sorry. So what we write? 1500 minus 4 raised to power 2, and we know a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. While using these expressions, we can find out the answer 22,380,16. Which of the following is the output of 1607 into 1607? So again, break out these terms into 600 plus 7 square is equal to a plus b का whole square, means 1600 square plus 7 square plus 2 into 1600 into 7. So expression is 2582499. Question number 9, which of the following is the output of 596 into 596 minus 104 into 104? Here the expression is similar to a square minus b square. So its elaborated terms is a plus b minus a minus b. By solving a plus b into a minus b, we find out the answer. Which of the following is the output of 57 into 57 plus 43 into 43 plus 2 into 57 into 43? Here is the one term which is a square, here is the another term which is b square, and here is 2 into a plus b, which means a plus b is b raised to power 2. So a is 57, b is 43, which is whose sum is 100, so 200 square is 10,000. Another is which of the following is the output of 93 into 93 plus 73 into 73 minus 2? Again, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square. So 20 square आएगा, that is 400. So